Did you know that your vehicle's sync system may have a feature that can call for help if you're in an accident? Let me explain. If your airbags deploy or the fuel pump is shut off due to an accident, your sync-equipped vehicle may be able to contact emergency services by dialing 911 through a paired and connected Bluetooth-enabled phone. If you're not in need of emergency services, you can cancel the call within 10 seconds. Sync will first alert you via the touchscreen with a message telling you that it will attempt to call 911. You can cancel the call by pressing Cancel on your screen, or press and hold the phone button on your steering wheel. If you do not cancel the call, a pre-recorded message will play for the 911 operator and then allow any occupant to talk to the operator. 911 Assist also relays additional information to help emergency operators dispatch the appropriate resources. Information may include vehicle's location, if the airbags went off, whether it's a front, side, or rear collision, or a rollover, and how many seatbelts it detects were fastened. The first time you pair your phone to the sync system, you'll be asked if you want to activate 911 Assist. If you decide to activate it at a later time, just go to Settings, 911 Assist, and slide the button to the on position. You can also add 2 in case of emergency or ICE contacts from your contacts list to be displayed following an emergency call placed by Sync. To do so, press Set Emergency Contacts, then select a contact. A list of your contacts will be displayed so you can choose the person you'd like to add. Any questions? Go to owner.ford.com.